Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. This video is going to be a brief explanation and demonstration of a workshop, a project, or a challenge you can do using Google Earth and Minecraft. Now, what is Minecraft? Minecraft is virtual Legos. As you can see in the picture I posted on screen, this is a town someone developed and produced in Minecraft. Minecraft is being played by students of every age. As a substitute teacher, I spend a lot of time in the elementary, the middle, and the high school. And I hear what students are talking about, and I see what they're doing. They're talking about Minecraft, and they're planning together what they're going to do in Minecraft. And for this demonstration, I'm going to start with Google Earth. Google Earth is a free program. I'm going to focus on California, PA. I'll zoom in here. Now, in Minecraft, everything is a cubed block, a cubed meter. So you're able to take the ruler tool in Google Earth and you're able to measure areas. I'm going to measure this side of the street to the other sidewalk. That's about 12 meters. This building, it goes from here to the back. That's about a little over 27 meters. So using this technique, I can basically get a layout of the town. I can move in and it still stays at 27 meters, so it's not an issue if you zoom in and out. Moving over to Minecraft. This is the town I developed for the demonstration. You can see the street is 12 blocks across, 12 meters. Building is 27 back, 27 meters, and so on. Now, we're going to go down to the road here. I was floating. You can fly if you want. You can see that there are weather effects in the game. It's raining, which is very fitting for my video. And there's a night and day cycle, things like that. As I walked on the street, you can see there's a subway, there's a tree, and when I switch back to Google Earth, turn off my line, and I'm going to go to Street View. Now, the Street View in California isn't that great. It's not one of Google's priorities, but if you do a bigger town like Pittsburgh or areas as you get closer to Pittsburgh, the maps are a lot better, and you're able actually to measure in Street View. Because California is not on the priority, and it has, the last time the Street View was done was a couple years ago, you're able to you're not able to measure on the Street View itself. All right, so in Minecraft you can see I went down and there's the subway, there's the building. Subway's right behind the tree. If I move over here, there you go, there's your subway, there's your building. You can spin around here and look at the gas station. Okay, and I'll go back to Minecraft, and there's my gas station. As I walked on the street, you can see that there is an empty spot right here. On our Google, actually, last year they tore down an old movie theater that we had in town. And you can see on the street view that this building is still there. So once I zoom back out to the sky view, you notice that there's a big empty lot. Now, that the challenge comes from, could be from this point. You tell the students a governing body comes to you and asks for a plan to develop a new movie theater. And you can tell them they need to have specific things, requirements in the movie theater. You know, 2 sets of bathrooms, 2 movie theaters, emergency exit, lobby, things like that. But it has to be in this space, and it can't be more than 3 stories high, things like that. So you're challenging the students to fit everything into the building, and you're challenging them to remake the town to show the governing body. You could also, depending on the time that you have, you can tell the students to maybe just develop one building. Maybe you have them develop the school that they're in, and they're able to actually go to the school, and they're able actually to measure the halls themselves. For instance, we can zoom back out, and if we were having a workshop on campus, We could have the students go to a building on campus, such as we'll just pick Housel Hall here, and have them first use Google Maps to measure out the school from the outside, or the building, I'm sorry, and then you could have them go to the building itself and do the internal measurements. Basically, there's many different things you can do from this standpoint. You could have them build a hospital and they need to put it in a certain area in the town. You could have them develop a new type of power stations. They have to do the science behind it. You know, what kind of power is it going to be? How is it going to be developed? How is it going to be used? Then you could have them do it in different stages. For instance, a lot of kids use graph paper to develop their towns and their areas. This one used Excel. There's a couple pictures I just pulled off the internet. This one looks like he used Excel again. So you're having them learn architecture. You're having them work together as a team. If you want to bring science into it, have them develop a new type of energy or type of energy, things like that. I have a few other pictures on here I wanted to show you of things that are possible in Minecraft. There's a building, a castle. There is a pirate ship. A couple other things that people have developed in the game. There's a bridge. So you can bring in engineering into this too. I will post my email address at the end of the video. And if you have any questions, would like to work with me, or would like help setting anything up, please feel free to email me and we can make that happen. Thank you for viewing, and please don't hesitate to contact me.